Trinamool Congress spokesperson, how this becomes a murder case? There are two issues here. First, how does this become a murder case? And secondly, if this man Debashish Acharya, who tried to slap Abhishek Banerjee, is booked for attempt to murder, what about the people who assaulted him, who thrashed him? What about the lynch mob? How was no attempt to murder case under section 307 filed against them?
Two things here, Arnab. I think the first thing is the Indian Penal Code doesn't have a section in it which covers coming up on stage and slapping. What we have here, in which what
no,
what
we
all
know
of India
we
has
know
seen
the
on
code
national
for attempt to murder
is a young
307.
man. Hold on,
How is this
Arnab,
attempt
please
to
let
murder?
me finish. Arnab, please.
No.
Arnab,
How is this
please
attempt to
let me
murder?
finish.
No, answer
Arnab,
the question.
please let me finish.
What is the question here?
Let me finish.
What is the question
Arnab,
here?
I will answer the question
But
if
you're
you
not answering
let
the
me
question.
finish.
What is the question? How is this attempt to murder?
Arnab,
Somebody
the
slaps you.
question is, how is it?
Is it attempt to murder? Do
How
you
is
genuinely think it's attempt to murder?
Arnab, please let me
No.
finish.
Do you think somebody who slaps somebody is trying to
Arnab,
murder him?
Please let me
You
finish.
please tell me the
cannot
logic
shout
of
the
attempt to
person
murder.
down.
No, tell me how is
Arnab,
it
you
attempt to
cannot-
murder?
I can if you will stay up.
No,
I can if you will stop speaking for 30 seconds. I
No,
will
1
try
second.
to.
Please answer the question in
Okay, let
30
me try.
seconds.
Give me 30
Section
seconds, I will try.
307 is
Okay?
attempt to murder.
Yes, I will answer the question.
So tell me, how
Can
is
you
this
stop
attempt to
talking?
murder?
Okay, it is very clear. It is attempt to murder because a person has gone up with a press card on a fraudulent claim on trying to be a press person.
No, 1 second. One second. Again, you got it wrong.
Gone forward
Okay, 1 second.
and hit a person.
No, Mahua Moitra, please
How do we know what it is supposed
please
to
be
do?
responsible
If
here,
it
what you're
is-
saying. Please be responsible. I would like to intervene here 1 minute, Mahua
Yes, I
Moitra.
am
1
being
second, please.
responsible.
1 second. We hear the other side. Now, I think application of the law
Yes.
is as important in this case here. There is a clause. There is section
Yes.
323.
Yes.
I mean, elementary reading of law, section 323 is voluntarily causing hurt. Okay. Fine. You apply section 323 voluntarily. No, 1 minute. Voluntarily causing hurt. I want to know a rule under which voluntarily causing hurt, if it happens to be the chief minister's nephew, turns into attempt to murder. That means I want to ask you today, Mahua Moitra, every time in the state of West Bengal, 1 minute, let me complete. Let me complete and let's get the others also on air, please, if possible. Nupur Sharma is also wanting to respond, but after I just make a small point. I want to say tonight, my question is, let us say 5th of January 2014, 10:39 p.m. onwards, every time anybody slaps anybody in the state of West Bengal, they will be jailed for attempt to murder. Two people have a fight, one person slaps anyone, there will be attempt to murder. Students have a fight, one ends up slapping anyone, attempt to murder. Tomorrow you will say, Mahua Moitra, pointing a finger also is attempt to murder. I mean, it's ridiculous. What kind of culture are we now beginning? And the people who, the lynch mob. No, 1 second. The lynch mob is not accused of attempt to murder. But the person who's slapping, because it happens to be Mamata Banerjee's nephew, is attempt to murder. I mean, come on. Yeah. There are other sections which can be applied. Nupur Sharma responding, then we open the debate.
Arnab, you know, Arnab,
please allow me to
Arnab,
get it.
you,
Yes.
Arnab, you are judge, jury and executioner.
No,
on
I'm
our
not.
show. You
I'm
should
just
not
suggesting
invite
logic
other
to
people.
you.
You should talk to yourself.
I am
and
suggesting
India
logic
should
to
listen
you. Mahua Moitra,
Let me
I am
speak
suggesting
then.
logic to you.
Arnab, let me speak.
Oh, ma'am, please don't continue. I am letting you speak, but you're not being able to answer.
You're not letting me come back.
Oh, you're not being able to answer my question. How is it attempt to murder?
He has been booked.
Arnab, please
He
allow me to
has been booked. He has been booked under the section of attempt to murder because
How?
we don't know. That's why it says attempt, not murder.
Arnab, please
he has
allow
got up
me
on
to
the
come
stage
in.
Obviously.
and used force. Abhishek ducked.
What are you saying?
We don't know what he would do after.
No, how? Did he
We
have a
don't know what
pistol
he
with
would
him?
do
Did he have a
after.
revolver?
If it does
Hang
not
on,
stand in
please
a
allow me
court,
to
the
Was he
judge
carrying
will
arms?
throw
Show
out
me.
the case.
What arms was he carrying?
Please.
What arms was he carrying, Mahua Moitra?
He was carrying a press card, according to her.
You don't need arms to kill. You don't need arms to kill a person. You can go there and put your hands
Exactly,
up.
and I know that.
Kill him.
I know that because I'm seeing that lynch mob of the Trinamool Congress.
Yes.
And I'll tell you what, you are a Trinamool Congress spokesperson.
So
you know what
he
attempt to
could
murder
have been
is.
doing that
I'm
to
telling you,
Abhishek.
Mahua
How
Moitra,
do
you
we
know what
know
attempt to
that?
murder is? That fellow being beaten up by your lynch mob, your out of control sycophants and chamchas of Abhishek Banerjee who beat him so badly that he's in an ICU. They should be charged with attempt to murder. Do you have the
How
guts?
is it Trump
Does
if
your
it is
party have the
trumped up,
guts?
it goes-
Does your party have the
It is
guts,
FIR,
Mahua Maitra? Does your party have the courage to
Arnab,
slap attempt to
Arnab,
murder
this
against
is
those
an-
lynch mob members? Why would you file attempt to murder
Arnab,
against the
just
lynch
keep
mob?
talking.
Tell me.
Arnab, this is
Would
a
you file
one-man
attempt to
show. Just
murder?
keep talking.
Would you file?
Arnab.
This is the I-card that he was
Arnab.
carrying. My question is,
They
would
have
you?
filed attempt to murder on the lynch mob as well.
Where? Where? I don't think
have.
so. I don't think so. You got it wrong again.
Excuse me, if this does not stand, the judge will throw.
I am
out the
asking
case.
you. I am asking you. You have the pictures of this fellow who tried to slap your chief minister's nephew on television right now. I am asking.